Ever wondered how your shampoo, lotion, or detergent works so effectively? It's all about balance. Hydrophilic lipophilic balance, or HLB, is a numerical scale that measures the balance between the water-loving, hydrophilic, and oil-loving, lipophilic properties of a surfactant. Think of it as a seesaw, with water-loving on one side and oil-loving on the other. So, what's the deal with high and low HLB? A high HLB means a surfactant loves water more. Picture it dissolving easily in water. On the flip side, a low HLB means it's got a thing for oil. It blends perfectly with oil. Let's check out some common compounds and their HLB values. Compound HLB value, approximate. Fatty acids, 8 to 10. Amines, 10 to 12. Alkyl sulfates, 13 to 15. Alkyl sulfonates, 13 to 15. Alkyl ether sulfates, 12 to 16. Alkyl ether phosphates, 12 to 16. Alkyl betanes, 16 to 18. Alkyl amides, 16 to 18. These numbers might look like a phone book, but they tell us a lot about how each surfactant behaves. Now, let's see where we use these surfactants. Low HLB surfactants, with values less than 10, are great for oil in water emulsions like creams and mayonnaise. They also help solubilize oils and wet hydrophobic surfaces. High HLB surfactants, with values over 10, are perfect for water in oil emulsions like sunscreen, foaming agents, and detergents. To sum it all up, understanding HLB is crucial for creating effective products. It's this delicate balance that makes our daily lives easier. Want to dive deeper into the world of surfactants and their magical applications? Stay tuned for our next video. Remember, balancing the world of chemicals isn't just science, it's an art. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.